Kungaloosh, ladies and gentlemen. I am here at Sir Henry's Haunted Trail, but it's the Halloween layover. I'm here for the media event. I've already seen a couple of my friends here so far. I'm here with Chris from Ear to Ear Magic, and this this is the right way to get into the season now, I'll tell you what. Let's take a look around. Oh, that's awesome. I don't want to ask what's in the box. There is a story time. Sit around over here. Oh, I can only imagine the stories they're going to tell.
Woo! I'm gonna stab you later, okay?
Oh no! Alright, so Sir Henry's Haunted Trail. Obviously during Halloween this was a big time thing here in Plant City, but now it's the Christmas layover, and wow, this is... Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is crazy, I love it. Alright, so this is, I guess, the first house trail I'm about to go in. Krampus 2. Where's that dos? I don't know, let's figure it out. Obviously the last haunt trail I went on, I did that specialty thing where they would they could reach out and they could touch you. Obviously that's not the case here. You should never touch scare actors. But to be honest, I have no idea what I'm in store for. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this place. It's like the Psycho House. Krampus. Why do I sound like Sean Connery? Krampus. Snot? Krampus. Krampus 2. Electric Boogaloo. Yeah. Yes! What is that? What did you deserve? He's coming. Oh, Kitty. Oh. Is he? I can't wait to see Krampus.
I thought this was a boy. Oh. Why can't we start having money? The parents should just get richer, right?
Right, sure. I sure. Okay, we'll do that. Oh. We all hate them.
Why can't they just be on the naughty list? Like, come on!
Yeah! It's great. Hey. Oh. Oh. Get at me. Live kidnapping. Okay. Yeah. Oh boy, we're going to the closet, guys. No, let's go. Oh, Kelly's in there already. Oh. Okay. Moving around in the clothes. People everywhere. Oh my God! This is the worst Goodwill I've ever been in! This is... Oh, hey! I'm going slow because I can't see where I'm going. Oh boy. Okay, that's nice. That's one more. Just one more. Why not? Okay. Wow. I enjoyed that.
And then he scurried you away.
That was awesome. So this is really cool. They've got not one, but they've got 2 escape rooms for this media session I'm at. They've got the sleigh bells and the Krampus, I guess you'd call it. Oh yeah, and this they have laser tag. So yeah, there's a lot going on over here. I mean, there's a gift shop over there. There's another shop over here. There's axe throwing. Man, you can waste a whole evening here easily. All right, so the first house over there, something German. No notes whatsoever. Sir Henry's is going on in 2 weekends in December. Just go to their website. I'll drop that link below. It's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday deal for just 2 weekends. If you're really into the haunted season,
100%.
or if you're not ready to say goodbye to the haunted season, this is a great way to make that transition. So I really enjoyed it.
Hello.
There we go.
Look into the something in our phone. Oh, watch my back.
Hey!
Hey, there it is. Especially you.
Yeah!
They'll make the Christmas lights up for you.
I love lights. I love lights.
You can run this place. Take a look around. It's a mess.
Yep.
Ah! He can't control us. We're too
Gonna run for it, Bob.
Hey, I'll never play through a dance master. We still need to do that. We really need to take on that offer. It is. You get to sit, drink hot chocolate, and tell kids what to do.
That's awesome.
You want some, Bob? You want some?
Yeah, sure. Aww. Okay. No more. Oh.
Tell all of us to get more cocoa.
All right. Let's have some more cocoa.
Big Santa Claus is pretty much just having like 6,000.
Someone's going right over. Oh. Oh my. You are awesome. Yep.
Thank God, Grandma!
I love when they just randomly scream at you.
Alright, you guys know what time of year it is.
Yeah!
It's the holiday season.
Time for change.
Holiday cheer. A man's got a rubber ducky to feed.
You got, where'd you
You're gonna
change?
say no to this face?
Oh, maybe next time. Okay, that's right. I forgot about this. Oh my. Uh-huh.
Just way under that way.
Yeah. Okay. Too late.
Remember, it's healthy only.
Elf energy. This is all right. Oh, chainsaws! Chainsaws are out.
Finally! Oh, finally, those little brats got what they deserve! And they were been so awesome!
Yeah.
They had it coming! Oh, they really had it coming!
What's that smell?
I don't know, but
Satan's gingerbread.
The reindeer!
The reindeer!
After me!
It's the reindeer.
if it's the reindeer, they smell good.
Yeah.
Tender and everything.
Everything is just stupid. All of it. Christmas is stupid. Santa's stupid. All of it is
I want some of that
stupid.
other big guy.
Everything. What do you think you're doing?
Oh, no, customer! Hi, nice to meet you.
Wait. You look familiar.
Why?
Oh, yes.
I get that a lot.
Oh, let me see this right here. Oh, I can't wait to pull it off. Oh, you like the box? How about I shove you in there? I bet you won't have a lot of oxygen to breathe. But that's just part of the fun.
Yeah.
To get on my workshop,
Hey, what are
huh?
you guys doing in there?
Oh, what do you think you're doing, brown nose? Get out of my sauce. Oh, ready presents of the year. How about you make your own present?
He wanted a wine for Christmas. Well, you know what she's gonna get? Martha said she wants a bike for Christmas.
Yeah?
Well, you know what she's gonna get? Nothing! Getting nothing for Christmas. Isn't that so funny?
It's awesome. Poor Martha. Oh my God. This. Oh, hello.
Kids don't believe anymore.
The arms are on it!
That's my problem.
It needs to be!
Take control of your
There's
own.
nothing else in this place!
Supposed to.
I want a divorce!
Mr. and Mrs. Claus arguing like a family. They're a married couple. Oh my God. Okay. And is this supposed to be dark in here? Oh man. We're not out yet. This is still going.
You better watch out.
Oh.
You better not shout. Better not shout. I'm telling you why. Because I will kill you tonight.
Okay.
I know when you
My
look
version.
dead. And I know when you look dead. I know when you've been bad.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's following the light. Oh, we got some. Oh, oh, okay. We're out. Holy crap. That went on forever. Oh, man. Okay, again. Sleigh bells. Another banger. Holy cow. I love that. I love that.
Do you like the layout of it?
Yeah.
The trail, the
There were
open
so
trail?
many kids in there.
Oh, yeah.
So many children. Or people who look like children.
There's Elfie kids.
Oh my. Whew. So guys, thanks for watching. Here I am in Plant City. If you get a chance to come out and check out Sir Henry's holiday haunted trail, it's worth the evening. It's like I said, it's only for 2 weekends in December. Check out their website to see when, because the times are different depending on the days. But aside from that, guys, go ahead, like and subscribe. You know the whole deal. And thanks for watching, guys. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it.